Here we have a soundboard of a Pinbot, serial number 02179. I'm going to power it up now. And there is no power on reset, so we're going to hit the reset manually. You hit the power up bong. And the first thing we're going to do is give it command 1, which is background music. Now we're going to try the second one up from that. Slightly different. 3. Command 4. And we'll shut it off now with a 0. One thing that's interesting is that this board seems to work without U19, and that's something we'll be researching. But for now, it seems to work, and more on this board later.